Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Open payments. Google.com, verify your current country and payment profile so you know what will change. Next, obtain a reliable VPN or use a local IP. This proves location to Google when you make the switch. Create or prepare a payment method tied to the new country if needed. You may add a local card or redeem a local balance. Once done, make sure Google Play is closed and your device is on the target network before proceeding to account. You now go into the Play Store settings. Tap Account, then Country and Profiles. If Google shows the new country, choose it and follow prompts. Add the local payment method or redeem a local gift card to validate the profile. If the option doesn't appear, clear the Play Store app data, reconnect through your VPN to the target IP, and relaunch Play Store. This forces the country option to appear. Make sure you complete any verification steps Google requests so the new profile becomes active. Finish by installing region-specific apps and confirming billing settings reflect the new country. Some apps and prices will change immediately. Remember, Google allows one country change per year, so consider if this is permanent for you. If Play still shows the old country, disconnect VPN, reboot, and sign out/in of your Google account, then sign back in on the correct network. If problems persist, use account recovery or wait 24 to 48 hours for Google's backend to update and retry the steps.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.